Unlock the secret to a phone that lasts for years. Essential tips inside the iPhone 16 Pro. https www.cnet.com/tech/mobile/Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max review. Compelling upgrade with my favorite iPhone feature in years. And Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. https www.cnet.com/mobile/Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Hands-on AI everywhere are undeniably among the top smartphones of 2025. But here's where it gets controversial. Even as the iPhone 17 looms on the horizon, these premium devices share more than just top-notch cameras and blazing performance. They also come with hefty price tags. Even budget-friendly options like the Google Pixel 9a. https www.cnet.com/tech/mobile/Google Pixel 9a review. A value-packed phone demand a significant investment. With global financial constraints tightening, maximizing the value of your smartphone has never been more crucial. The key? Extending its lifespan to stretch that investment over several years rather than frequently upgrading. This approach isn't just financially savvy, it's also environmentally responsible. Less frequent upgrades mean fewer phones produced and transported, and fewer old devices ending up in landfills. https.cnet.com/tech/industry. The environmental pitfalls at the end of an iPhone's life. Thankfully, companies like Apple, Google, and Samsung are now offering extended software support, ensuring your current phone remains secure. https.cnet.com/tech/mobile. Is it really safe to buy an old or used phone? Here's what you need to know. For years, but this longevity requires effort and strategic care on your part. Here are the top strategies to help your phone endure for as long as possible. What's this? How to extend your iPhone's lifespan. iPhone 649. Using a phone without the latest security updates is a risky move. www.cnet.com/mobile/is that old used refurbished Android phone safe use. While many Android manufacturers previously offered support for only 2 to 3 years, models like the Google Pixel 9 series /www.cnet.com is that old used refurbished Android phone safe use. What you should know security. cnet.com/tech/mobile. Pixel 9 Pro XL review. Google goes all in on AI for better or worse. Now come with 7 years of software updates. However, some budget phones, like the OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, www.cnet.com/mobile. OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite arrives to battle Samsung's cheap phone. Still lag behind. When purchasing a new phone, always check the support duration for maximum value. Regular updates shield your phone from hackers and malicious software, maintaining both security and performance. Most phones prompt you to install updates automatically, but for older models, manually check the software updates section in your settings. Don't forget your apps. Keeping them updated ensures compatibility with your iOS or Android version. https://www.cnet.com/smartphone showdown 15 years of Android. A new iPhone deserves immediate protection. A sturdy case. www.cnet.com/mobile. Best iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro cases. Not only safeguards against accidental drops, but also prevents micro scratches from keys or coins. A screen protector is equally vital. A damaged screen is hard to fix, but a scratched protector can be easily replaced, keeping your phone looking pristine. This can also boost its resale value if you decide to upgrade later. Replace a worn-out battery. Not the phone. Batteries naturally degrade over time, offering less juice per charge. Some old phones might only hold 50% of their original capacity, prompting warnings about power limitations and potential processor throttling. Replacing the battery is a straightforward solution. iFixit offers various kits. https://www ifixit.com/search.